We're out here in Orange County at one of our customer locations, which is a nonprofit. They're gonna be occupying this office space soon. We're about done in here with all the low voltage. We're gonna take you upstairs to their other floor, and we're gonna show you what it looks like to actually get the next phase done in construction. We're stepping off now into the 6th floor, which is a construction site. We've done all the low voltage systems, or I should say we're in the process of doing all the low voltage systems here. And there's 7 total systems that we're doing. The first one is the network, the structured cabling system, the wireless system, access control on the security side, security cameras. We're also doing sound masking, and we're doing audio and video. And so there's a lot going on here. We're gonna talk to you about the challenges that we have working alongside other trades. We're also going to discuss some of the things related to the time frame of this project. One of the reasons that this customer hired us to do this project was because we could meet their time frame. We also were able to meet their budget, but we were also the one-stop shop to getting all of those 7 systems installed at once, which is a lot of different types of systems and a lot of different type of work. But we're able to do that under one umbrella here at Empire. Benefit of having one person to go to do all of your low voltage is that you save a lot of time, and usually you save some money as well. It's just easier for you to be able to have one contact to deal with when it comes to all the low voltage instead of 2 or 3 other vendors. It takes you less time, things get done more efficiently. For example, during the rough-in of this project, we're able to rough-in cabling for your structured cabling, your wireless, your access control system, your surveillance system, your audio and video. We roughed in all of that cabling at once. The customer saves money when we're able to get all of that done at once. This would be in the mid-range of the size of projects that we handle. We handle much larger projects than this, and we handle a lot of smaller projects as well. This is a large office space with, they're actually taking the whole floor here on the 6th floor, and they're also taking a little space on the 2nd floor. We're gonna be tying the 2 together via fiber. Tying the 6th floor into the 2nd floor via fiber allows the customer to use one internet service provider, which saves them money. They're not paying a second bill every month. They also get better network efficiency that way. Fiber provides the best speeds that you can get, and so they're getting the best of everything with fiber. One of the reasons the customer hired us for this project is because they were going to be under construction. They have to relocate from their old office into this office. They really didn't have much time to plan that move. So when they hired us, one of their main concerns was, can you meet our time frame? What we did is we estimated the project, we helped design it, and then we came back with a schedule and we said, look, as long as we get your approval by this date, we should be able to start the project on time and then complete it on time so you can be in here and operating when you need to be. When we're actually done, they're gonna have a fully functional camera system that will monitor the general areas, the hallways, the choke points, the main entrance. They're gonna be able to look at footage for over 90 days of recording, and they're gonna have a really good visual and awareness of this office for security and safety reasons. They also will have a fully functional access control system. There's several doors that we're access controlling here, and so they'll know who's coming in, who's going out based on reports. They'll be able to manage who should have access, when they should have access, and what restricted areas they should have access to. And that's all done through the access control system. They're also going to have a sound masking system, which is going to limit distractions in this office and provide confidentiality throughout the office by masking conversations from traveling throughout this office. They're also going to have a wired and wireless network. The wired network will be wired from here to the individual offices. The wireless network has already been designed with the MSP, and we're helping them get that installed, and they'll have complete wireless coverage of this whole floor on the 6th floor. A project like this is great. There's nothing better than getting the customer to come in here, and now we get to hand over the camera system. We get to hand over the access control system. It's already been tested. We do a training with them, And most importantly, we're here to support them even after the install. And that feels awesome because what we're about is we're about relationships and we're about reputation. And so for us, it's really important that they're happy at the end of all of this, that we get it on time, done on time, and that we come through on all the promises that we've made to the customer. If you're relocating your office, we can help you with all your low voltage systems and make sure that your move is successful and that it's done on time and within your budget. Give us a call and reach out through our website, and let's schedule a discovery call so we can get your project started.